It's currently 6:45 a.m. on a Thursday morning here. And I'm filming this because I received a very special treat yesterday that I absolutely wanted to unbox with you. If you'd like to watch the German version of this video, I've linked it for you right here in the corner, as well in the video description. Today we take a look at the full kit of the Black Widow tattoo machine from Olli Produce. As always, I created chapters for you. If you are less interested in unboxing of the machine and the accessories once I head over the table, you can simply skip ahead to the specs and technical details. We're heading over in 3, 2, 1. Now that is a box. I think even my PlayStation came in a smaller one. Just kidding. But for a tattoo machine, this is huge and it really makes me hope for an amazing set. There's no plastic wrap around the box anymore because I already unboxed it for the German video, so don't be surprised about that. Regarding the design, we can already see some spider webs and plenty of spiders. And the lettering here, Viuda Negra, that means Black Widow, right? Viuda Negra by Olli Produce. Let's open the package. It has a magnetic closure here at the front. Tam 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 tam! Foam. Ooh. First, a purple silk close. It's definitely got the right vibe. How cool is that? Look at the coffin. I love it. But first, let's take a look at this case and its contents. At first glance, it looks just like the one for the Fury 2. Even here, the lettering is nicely embossed. Okay. Oh, operating instructions. So, okay, we have a thicker grip here. It also features the spider web design. It's not printed anything, it's actually engraved. Look at this. Cool. Then we have an RCA adapter here, in case you want to run the machine with a power supply. A small box with cables. Inside is an RCA to jack and the USB cable for the beautiful charging station. Yeah. And this one is magnetic. For those who hoped the Fury 2 batteries would fit here, I'm sorry to disappoint you, but the connection here is different. Let's look at the machine itself. This is just awesome. Look at the purple and black combination. The other thing here is in purple again, and it's also engraved on the back. We got adjustable strokes from 2.4 to 4.2, and of course it's very quiet. There's lining mode and shading mode. Very nice so far. Let's put it back and check out the coffin. It's sitting a bit tight in there because of all the small details. So cool. Did you see that? Even here on the sides, the tiny skulls. And here the little purple spider and the lettering in the front. Inside as well, Olli Produce, Viuda Negra, Zoosh, the skull. Take this outside. So, got the machine. I mean, if you present it like this in your studio, that's pretty sick, right? Alright, we've seen everything that's included. Now let's look at the specs and compare it to the Fury 2. Welcome back to specs and facts of this beautiful machine, the Black Widow. At first glance, I clearly categorize it as a stroke adjustable version of the Fury 2, as there are many parallels to the Fury. First things off, for those who hope the Fury 2 batteries would also fit the Black Widow, have to disappoint you. A new connection has been designed here. Still many parameters align with those of the Fury 2. Let's start with the dimensions. We have a total length of 133 millimeters. The thickness of the machine is approx 33 millimeters, which is the same as a smaller grip. The included fat grip is 41.5 millimeter, which corresponds to 2 out of the 3 grips we know from the Fury 2. What's not included is the tapered 31 millimeter grip. Instead, you get this coffin, which looks absolutely unique for your tattoo studio presentation. In terms of weight, we're looking at around 200 grams with a smaller grip and about 260 grams total weight with a fat grip. Just so you know, I've already tested it for you, and unfortunately the grips are not interchangeable between the models. The big difference lies in the stroke range. While the Fury 2 has a direct drive system running a fixed 4.2 millimeter stroke, we have here 7 different strokes. We got 2.4 millimeters, 2.7 millimeters, we got 3.0, 3.3, 3.6, 3.9 and 4.2 millimeters. We have to include 2 batteries, each with a 2000 mAh capacity and a 1.47 inch display. There's a matching magnetic charging station that lets us charge 1 battery while the second one is in use. This is another difference from the Fury 2, which had a dual battery charging station. But honestly, I don't think that's a big deal. You can also connect the batteries directly with USB-C to charge them in the pinch. Just like with the Fury 2, a fast charge function is advertised. On the Fury, that means 10 minutes of charging gave you enough power to tattoo for another hour. Oh yeah, I'm a rap star. Gave you enough power to get another tattoo hour. Oh, that was too bad. Cringe. I assume it's the same here because it's the same battery type. The Black Widow is powered by a brushless custom motor that delivers a maximum speed of 9000 RPM at 12 voltage. There are different modes available, so we can quickly change between lining mode and shading mode. A jumpstart function is also integrated in case you're using larger needle groupings. My personal highlight is simply the entire set. The coffin, the machine with the purple and the black design, and the very latest, this should be in your studio window by Halloween. Price-wise, it's available here for under 344 euros. For me, that's an absolute steal, just like the Fury 2 was and still is. If you are interested in this machine, you can find it linked in the video description or in the end screen. Like this corner, this corner, this corner, I don't know. Go and check it out, and if you have any experience with this machine, let us know in the comments. I'm already on the verge to buy this one for myself because I'm a total tattoo machine addict. On that note, I'm out. I hope you enjoyed the video and wish you a great day. See you soon. Ciao.